Hello friends, this is Shiva Shankar from Safety Hands again with a new video. Today I am going to discuss about fire extinguisher, classes of fire, extinguishing medium and transmitting medium and all. So let's see what is fire. Fire is actually a chemical reaction between heat, fuel and oxygen, and which gives off light, heat and flames. So if one of the three element is removed, definitely fire will not continue. So heat which we have in fire is actually any ignition source or any heat source, we can say. And oxygen, it's going to be supplied from the air itself, so there is no other source of oxygen apart from the industrial zone. So and we have fuel. Finally, fuel is nothing but petrol, diesel or wood which has a ability to burn is called fuel. So let's say what are all the classes of fire. So we have six classes here according to the latest edition. So the six classes are: class A fire. Class A fire is nothing but fire which involves the burning of solid materials like wood, paper and cardboard, plastic, anything. Class B fire is a fire which involves the burning of liquid materials like petrol, diesel, kerosene and all. And class C fire is a fire which involves the burning of gases like methane, propane, ethane, butane, pentane, LNG, LPG, these kind of things. Class D is a fire which involves the burning of metals like phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, all these things. And class E is electrical fire, the fire which involves which starts from the electrical equipments, so it's called class E fire. Class F fire is a cooking fire, which the fire which takes place from the kitchen, fry pans or cooking oil is called class uh, F fire. So let's talk about heat transmission method. So we have four kinds of heat transmission methods. First of all is a direct burning. Direct burning is nothing but the fire will go and progress directly from one end to the another. Let's see. So next we have conduction. Here we need a transmitting material usually called conductor. It transmits through certain material. And convection is a heat transmission through liquid and gases. And finally we have radiation, where the heat transfer from air or through certain transparent materials. And we have extinguishing methods. Normally we have three kinds of extinguishing methods. One is starvation and smoothing and cooling. Starvation is known as the removal of fuel, and cooling is removal of heat, and smoothing is removal of oxygen. Earlier I said the fire to have, it should need three elements, which is fuel, heat and oxygen. If one of the three elements are removed, definitely fire will not take place. So this is the main concept here, guys. And we have extinguishing medium. I mean, the fire extinguisher will be filled with one of these things, so which is dry chemical powder, carbon dioxide, water, as well as we have this foam. And somewhere we also might have seen this wet chemical powder, but it is not widely used anywhere in this world. But other four things are being used now. So first of all we talk about this dry chemical powder. Dry chemical powder is such kind of fire extinguisher which could be used for all classes of fire. And this fire extinguisher is widely used in industrial sectors. Apart from this we have carbon dioxide, which can be used for uh, class E fire, mainly electrical fire, and for all use foam. And for class A we can use water. Water is the best option for class A. So for fire extinguisher like CO2 is applicable for class E, and we can also use DCP here, but it is not advisable because once in an electrical panel DCP is poured for extinguishing as an extinguishing media, definitely it can't be used again. So it is the best option to use CO2 for electrical fire. So that's all friends for today. So hope you have understood about the fire classifications, extinguishing medias, and transmission and extinguishing method. If you have any comments on this or any clarification, please comment me down and I'll be happy to explain you back. See you soon again with a new video, friends. Bye.